There are so many things that I love every day about getting to work with farmers. When we first started the company, I was so young, and I know that the positive stress of not disappointing farmers was going to be the best driver to be able to be here for the long haul. Farmers are so hardworking and they are so humble, and really the profession of farming is like a million professions in one. But there's so much more than soil science and crop production involved with being a farmer. My name is Sandy Cronick, and I'm the CEO and a co-founder of Eastern Carolina Organics. Eastern Carolina Organics is a wholesale produce distribution company. We are owned in part by some of the farmers that we work with, and we're based in Durham, North Carolina. We ship products all over the East Coast. So ideally, what we do for the farm is help them focus on what they love to do and what they do best, which is take great care of their soil, great care of their crops, great care of their crews, and great care of their equipment. But historically, the middleman entity in this country tends to try to get as much per pound from the farm, and we really wanted to try to change that. So we wanted to have all the great services that a wholesale distributor could provide, but also be an advocate for the farmer.
It is important that people realize where their food comes from. I think the average consumer would be more satisfied with what they're eating and what they're seeing in the grocery stores if they would stop by their local farms and seeing how it's produced. There's nothing like going to work in the morning with, high hopes, pretty weather, going out and putting a seed in the ground, produce a good product and get it in the box, put it on that truck and send it off, and know that you've done a great job to provide your customer with the best product they can have.
We really want to be a part of the resiliency, sustainability, and wellness of farmers that we work with. And I think my most fun thing is when I look back and know how many dollars we've sent to farmers over the years. But it's not because of anything special we're doing, it's because of all the hard work and products that they're producing. And so, at the end of the day, being able to say that, we are actually helping farmers to recruit their next generation to come back to the farm because they have hope that farming is a dignified career, it's good security, and there's a future in it. If we can help be a part of a farmer feeling proud of what they do, then that's everything.